Everybody, in the last episode, we used Jamboard for the first time, and we also started making puzzle parts, brainstorming puzzle parts, by drawing 1 cube, 2 cube, and 3 cube parts isometrically. In this episode, we're going to do 4 cube parts. Also, by the way, you can get this Jamboard, you can get a copy of it either in the description below if you're on YouTube, or it's already been pushed out on your Google Classroom. The one thing you're going to want to do is right here where it says your name here, you're going to want to put your name there. Okay. So, for example, we did our 1 cube, we did our 2 cube and our 3 cube, but I already erased those. If you want to watch them, again, the link is popping up. Okay, so let's do 4 cube parts. So, a couple things with 4 cube parts is, first of all, remember, our parts can only be 3 cubes tall or 3 cubes wide or 3 cubes deep. So you can't add that 4th cube right on top. So we can draw cubes parts as, let me straighten this out a little bit, as here. So here's a new part and here's a new part, but this part is this part. And if I flip it over, is that part the same? Okay. So let's start drawing this now. One of my buddies on Twitter and my Project Lead the Way buddies, Mr. Duzan, showed me a trick that if I hold Shift, I can draw straighter lines. So there we go. Well, thank you, Mr. Duzan. So I'm going to draw straight lines by holding the Shift key. And there's 1 cube. There's 2 cubes, and here we go. Let's draw a 4th cube coming off there. So there, oh, I forgot a line. There's a 1 cube part, or I'm sorry, a 4 cube part. So now we can draw something similar. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and then I'm going to draw this cube part and bring this forward, and then draw that. That's a little squiggly, so let me find the eraser. I'm just going to touch that one up a little bit. That looks a little better. Okay. And some people will want to draw those lines. Oh man, you can see the difference between when I don't hold the Shift key and when I do hold the Shift key, the difference there. So holding the Shift key, look at that. So by holding Shift, gives you straight lines, no Shift, gets you something like that. So, all right, in this episode, I want you to come up with as many 4 cube parts as you can think of. And here's another sheet. Remember that no 2 parts can be the same, and even if you rotate it, okay? So come up with as many 4 cube parts as you can, and then you can get a head start on as many 5 cube parts as you can. All right, everybody, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.